In today's episode, we're going to showcase some of the most interesting police interaction. Enjoy! Here we have one scary crash. What do you think about this? Dodge Challenger driver decided to change lane out of nowhere and then this happened.
No fuck.
This truck driver had some friendly interaction with police officer. See what did policeman had to say to him.
I took the wrong street.
Yeah. You can't go that way.
Oh, I can't go that way? Oh, okay. I'm going up, Marion?
Marion?
Yeah.
Take a left.
Okay.
Take another left. Get on the truck route.
Oh, okay.
And then you'll hit 119 up there.
Okay.
Don't go that way because you're going to hit my brick street and you're going to take that.
How much is the ticket?
$125.
No, you can keep that ticket.
Plus points on your license.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Next road over is truck route.
Oh, okay.
Get on that.
So not even Bobtail.
Another one. So get over there.
Alright, thank you.
I bet that this driver thinks he's cool. These type of actions on the road can only make a lot of mess. Don't ever try to do something like this.
Jesus Christ! I thought he was going to hit us. Did he come from the street on the right? No, he was in the middle of the street when we pulled up doing that shit. He was on that side of the road.
You do full. No, yeah, you're just doing donuts.
Here guys, in this situation we have an instant karma that happened on the streets of the New York City. Watch. This biker saw the state trooper was trying to pull him over for no tags, and then he did this. What do you think about this police interaction? I want you to comment down below.
Wonderful. How you doing?
See, place my cameras on.
Okay.
Reason I'm talking to you, you don't have a plate on your bike.
Yeah, I lost it and I actually reported it stolen. Through you guys. That's what they suggested I do. So I haven't gotten a chance to go get one yet.
Okay. Do you have your driver's license?
I do. Do you mind if I unmount?
You're good. No butt, no guns, knives.
No, not today.
Okay.
And my wallet's in my back right pocket. Okay.
And did you have insurance and registration?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay. If you wanted, can you grab that?
Yeah, it's in my backpack. It's cool.
Or whether it's a hard copy, you gotta have it on with you, okay?
Okay, I definitely will.
Okay.
All right, we're good?
Yep, you're
all right.
good.
Happy.
Don't follow me, I have indeed. Yeah. Wasn't doing anything, right? Wasn't doing anything, right? Yeah. Yeah. I know. Yeah. Thanks. What do you want to talk to me like that for?
As you can see, guys, this rider was performing a wheelie, and then the cop saw him and decided to pull him over immediately to have a little chat with him.
Oh, fuck me. Oh, fuck. I'm screwed. How big a ticket is this going to be?
Hi.
Morning, officer.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Pretty good. What, you have any idea why I stopped you?
Yeah, I got an idea.
1400 block of Harrison Street.
I got a pretty good idea.
I really expected to see a guy that was about 22. How old are you?
57.
57. Oh, shit. You got your driver's license?
I sure do.
All right. All right, hang tight, man.
Okay. Who's this going to be?
Hi.
Morning, officer.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Pretty good. What, you have any idea why I stopped you?
Yeah, I got
Probably
an
about
idea.
1400 block of Harrison Street.
I got a pretty good idea.
I really expected to see a guy that was about 22. How old are you?
57.
57. Oh, shit. You got your driver's license?
I sure do.
All right. All right, hang tight, man.
Okay.
Guys, if you enjoyed this episode, I highly suggest you to watch this one. And if you liked it, subscribe and like the video.